We're recording?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Is my face red? I feel
You're
red.
fine, baby.
I feel red.
You're fine.
It's because I'm hot.
Yeah.
We've already been drinking. Okay, hi.
Hi.
Do you want to cool
Hello.
off? Over?
And we can roll down a window.
Roll down.
No,
I mean,
We can roll down this window.
we can roll down this here window.
front window of my house.
Okay.
All right.
Shall I do the intro?
I haven't eaten very much.
She's really hot and can't talk right now. So welcome to Mead.
Faewood.
Yeah, girl.
I just remembered Faye from Fairy and I couldn't remember the other part.
Faewood Mead.
Faewood Mead. All right, so I wanted to try something that wasn't as good. Because you're really good at mead.
Listen, it's really bad.
But I'm interested. So what was your process behind this?
Okay, so this is the, forgive me if I say it wrong, Wurtzburg.
Oh, we're going German.
It is like a 14th century recipe. So this is real old, okay?
What is a Wurtzburg anyways?
I don't know.
Is that just the name of the recipe or is that like a type of honey? Is it a method?
Actually, you know, some of the people in the comments, it helped like correct me on how I was saying it, but they didn't actually tell me what it meant. I don't know.
Get on it, people.
What is it, please? It's sage and honey. Or sage and honey. Good lord.
sage?
Sage and hops.
Oh, yeah, this sounds hella medicinal already.
Originally, it was sweet, right? So they would basically make it, they'd put a ton of honey in it, they'd let it ferment for like a week, and then they'd drink it. It's supposed to be sparkling.
Sounds nice.
Yeah, it sounds nice. However, because I don't have a keg to like force carbonate, the only way to get a carbonation is if there's still active yeast. They have to eat the remaining sugar. They make bubbles. Voila. Because you have to have CO2 in there.
Yeah.
So this is not sweet. I kind of made it on the drier side. I added like erythritol. It's not fermentable. So I tried this a few days ago. It's been over 3 months. I don't remember when I bottled it. I'm sorry. I forget. Some friends of mine, Rag and Bone Meadery, they made a version of this mead and they kept it sweet. So theirs wasn't sparkling.
But
Theirs was just sweet. And it was good.
And yours is neither of those. It's
Mine is
dry
sparkling.
and flat.
So we'll see if this is sparkling. It should be.
Sounds like it.
It has a little bit. There's not a lot.
Got a bubble in there somewhere?
No,
Maybe it's like a medium bubble. Not a big old
Watch
bubble.
it magically be really good.
Dude, this would be...
No, it's
Oh,
gonna
you
be.
say you tried it the other day.
I tried it the other day.
Look at all those bubbles.
It looks like
Sparkles.
I just peed in it.
I know. It looks like the color of wee wee. This is not Bold Rock. It looks like it could be Bold Rock. It is not.
Product placement. We got some duct tape. We got to tape that.
That's a
shit.
lie. You don't have to drink all of this.
It smells great. It's giving me apple cider on the nose a little bit.
It's got, well, it's that dryness,
Yeah.
but you can smell that sage comes through.
I don't hate it as much as you do, I think.
You know, maybe it's because I had it and it wasn't cold.
Oh, that's definitely the problem. You can't drink carbonation hot. What's wrong with you?
I tried it when it was room temperature because that's when you get most of the flavor.
Oh,
like
sure,
a lot of
yeah.
flavor's dull when it's when it's chilled.
No, but I feel like as it warms in my tongue, like after it goes from being cold initially and then I swallow it and the flavors get warmer on my tongue, it definitely develops. Where it starts and where it finishes is totally different. It gets like nutty at the end.
It's not bad.
It's not disgusting.
No,
It's actually not bad.
I was ready to vomit.
It's very citrusy.
If this is the worst she's got, she's doing well. Like I could drink this on like a hot summer day.
It's refreshing all day.
Yeah, it's refreshing.
What you put in there? A lime? Maybe?
Whatever you want. I'd throw a whole raspberry in that bitch.
I thought it was gonna be horrible
No, but room temp is probably way different. For me, I think anything carbonated has to be cold.
because it is very herbally.
Yeah, but I'm here for it. And you said hops, right? I think that's what I'm getting at the end. This
Yeah.
hoppy kind of nutty feeling at the end.
probably. Hey, that's not too. I mean, yeah, I made 3 gallons of it because it was like
Very
easy.
Walk out of here with a bunch of mead. That's
Oh my
what I
God.
really came for.
You will. I have so much mead. It's not even fun. I'm like, I have boxes. Poor Louie.
We need to
like,
throw a mead party.
yeah, we should.
Do it like a little mead tasting party. Why not?
That'd be fun.
All right. Well, this was not as terrible as I thought,
not
which
as
is kind
bad.
of great.
I think it's like 6%.
This shit is smashable. It's delicious. It's fresh.
It's not bad now. Now that it's cold, I feel okay with it.
Yeah, it's so funny because he was like, what if it just is magically not bad?
That's
And it
true, I did
literally
say
wasn't.
that. You could drink that shit right out of the bottle. It makes more sense.
I know.
Yeah.
You just
Pee
fucking-
out of the bottle.
Magical.
When I worked at UVA, I took a job at the laboratory and human specimens management laboratory, and I used to mix 24-hour collections of urine in a big bucket with a paint stir, and then we'd have to take a sample because you need like a medium, an average of like the contents of the urine. Sorry, this took a turn. Anyways,
I didn't even know that was a thing.
yeah, so collection over 24 hours. You know, people, especially if they're having kidney failure or urine problems, they can really produce a lot in a 24-hour period. You don't realize how much you pee in 24 hours in volume.
Wow.
Yeah, and so if they needed a 24-hour range test, then you take all of the samples over 24 hours and you combine them, stir them up. We used to call it playing with pee-pee.
You're like a magical cauldron.
I got paid to play with pee-pee. And other things, but that was the most traumatizing, probably.
Okay, well, that was...
Delightful, actually.
It wasn't that bad.
Surprisingly good.
Forgive me. I messed up in my judgment.
But creators are their own worst critics.
Go ahead and make it if you want to. It's not that bad. If you like
chill
dry.
it.
But chill it. I swear it's gross if it's not. Too herbally.
I just think you're a liar now. It's fine.
You're a liar.
You're a liar. This is delicious.
Yay! Okay.
All right,
well,
cheersing.
Cheersing. Oh, wait.
Cheersing to things not being as bad as you thought they were.
Yay! Thank you. Thanks for being here. Appreciate you. Thanks for drinking this.
Mm-hmm.
This pee-pee. Carbonated pee-pee water.
Mm.
Oh.
You're welcome.
So is that a cut?
Bye.